Hi, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go and welcome back to RxJava tutorial. So in the previous videos, we have seen how to use different operators to create an observable object. We have seen a just operator, we have seen FromArray operator, and we have seen a range operator to create an observable object in the previous videos. In this video, we will see how to create an observable object using create operator. So up to now, as you can see, in observable, we are passing a data. In just operator, we are passing a number of arguments. In from array operator, we are passing an array of integers, and in range, we are specifying a range of numbers. And observable will emits each data and it will call on next method. So observable will call internally. So RxJava will takes care and it will call on next and it will provide integer. But in create operator, we are going to call manually the on next method and on error, on complete. So let's create an observable object using a create operator. So basically we are going to create our own emitter inside create method. In the previous operators, observable has its internal emitter and it will emit its integers. In create method, we will create an emitter observable on subscribe. So as you can see, we have created an observable on subscribe, an integer, and it has a subscribe method which will be called when it gets a subscriber, and we have an emitter passing to that. So with this emitter, we can call manually these methods: on next, on error, on complete, and on subscribe. So in the previous operators, we are passing a specified array. So here with emitter, we can call, as you can see, on next, and we can pass any integer 1. So as soon as we call, it will call on next in observer. We can pass 12, v4, and finally we can call on complete. That's it. Now if you execute, so we have created an observable object and we have already created an observer which will take an integer, and we have connected both observable and observer here. And let's execute and see the result. We need to get output 1, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because we are printing in on next method. Let's execute and see the result. So as you can see, as soon as we subscribe, the subscribe method will be called, and from then on our emitter takes place. So we are calling manually the on next method 4 times with 4 integer values, and finally on complete. So you can see the result. So basically the main difference between the other operators and create operator is, in create operator we have our own emitter to emit a data from observable to observer, and in other operators we have a predefined set of data which we are passing to those operators. I hope you understood this video. Please like and share my channel, and thank you for watching.